A conversation between a shopkeeper and a customer. Let's learn English through daily life situations. Our learning goals today: polite shopping. Learn how to speak kindly in a shop. Shopping words. Understand bread, eggs, butter, and more. Real conversation. Practice speaking full sentences. Pronunciation. Say words clearly and with rhythm. Build confidence. Feel ready to use English every day. Vocabulary time. Bread. Bread. Bread means pav roti. Eggs. Eggs. Eggs means deem. Flour. Flour. Flour means atta. Butter. Butter. Butter means makhon. Yogurt. Yogurt. Yogurt means doi. Money. Money. Money means taka. Meet the characters. Shopkeepers. The person who sells things in the shop. He is kind and helpful. Customer. The person who buys things. She wants to find what she needs. Let's start talking.
Welcome to our shop, madam.
Thank you.
How may I help you today?
I would need a loaf of bread, 10 eggs, 5 kg flour, and 2 blocks of butter, please.
Please wait for a moment while I bring these to you.
Yes, sure.
Here are the things you mentioned. Is there anything else you need?
Yes, I also need 500 grams of yogurt, please.
Fine. Here it is. Your total is 650 taka.
Here is the amount. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Have a nice day. Please visit us again.
Now it's your turn. Role A. Shopkeeper. Welcome the customer. Ask how to help. Tell the total price. Say goodbye kindly. Role B. Customer. Say hello to the shopkeeper. Ask for what you need. Pay the money. Say thank you. Now, find a friend or family member. Take turns being the shopkeeper and customer. Speak English and have fun.